Good morning, students. So, we are here again after your half yearly exams. Now, we are going to start the revision of chapters of bio and chemistry. So, for that, I am going to start first chapter of bio, that is chapter 5 in your book, NCERT book, and I am going to start revision of that chapter. So, life processes. Uh, First of all, we will discuss the meaning of life processes. The processes that are performed by livings in order to remain alive are life processes. Means the processes that show difference between livings and non-livings are life processes. Difference between living and non-living we have discussed earlier in lower classes also. So you know the difference between livings and non-livings very well. And this chapter is based on the processes that are living perform in order to remain alive. Life processes that continue to occur even when the organism are not doing any activity are life processes. The processes which together keep the living organism alive and perform the job of body maintenance are called life processes. So, as you know, all living organisms perform some basic functions or processes in order to remain alive, and these processes are needed for maintenance of their bodies and catching to their daily activities. So, today we are going to start this chapter again, or the processes that are there for showing an organism alive. We have discussed these processes earlier also while we were discussing the chapter. So today we are now again going to start this processes. So these processes are as follows. First process, as you know, that is of nutrition. Nutrition, it is a process by which the organism obtain and utilize the nutrients that are in form of food. These nutrients are the source of energy which come from outside the body of the individual organism. Since the life on earth depend on carbon based molecules, for example carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, proteins, etc. And most of these nutrients are also carbon based. Nutrition of different organism involves different processes. Plant nutrition involves the process of photosynthesis, in which the green plants synthesize carbohydrates with the help of carbon dioxide and sunlight, etc. Animal nutrition involves taking of food inside the body and its digestion. So this was the first. This is the first process. Second process, that is of respiration. Respiration, it is a process that involves breakdown of nutrients through oxidation and release of energy for cellular needs. And for this, many organisms take oxygen from outside the body and release CO2 that is utilized by plants in the process of photosynthesis. So this is the second life process, respiration. Third life process is that is transportation or transport. Transport, as you know, in case of single celled organism like amoeba, No specific organ for getting nutrients, oxygen, water, or removal of wastes are needed because the entire are not needed because the entire body surface of such organism like amoeba remains in contact with the environment, and these oxygen, entrance of oxygen or removal of waste uh, is by simple process of diffusion. But in case of multicellular organisms like humans and higher plants, etc., simple diffusion is not sufficient to meet the oxygen and nutritional requirement of all the cells. Such organism, multicellular organism, develop specific organs and tissues for transportation of material from one part of the body to another part, and this process is called as transport. Fourth process or fourth life process, that is excretion. Excretion, as you know, the biochemical reactions involved in the assimilation of carbon dioxide, digestion of nutrients, and oxidation of digested nutrients generate some byproducts which are not only useless excretion, and the system consisting of tissues and organs related with excretion is called excretory organs. So, as we have discussed earlier during the start of chapter, that some life processes are needed for a living to remain alive. So, these are the processes. On the next turn, we will start the first process of that is of nutrition. So, that's all for today. Thank you.